How to turn on or off notifications in the Line app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily turn on or off notification setting in the Line application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open the Line app on your device. From the main homepage after logging in, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner to open up settings. Now, if you have turned off the notification setting, you'll see a little tab at the top of the screen which shows the turn on button. Simply tap on that to turn on the notification setting. This will take you to your device's notification setting for Line app. Go ahead and toggle on the button right next to allow notification. Once you switch that on, you'll be able to enable notification within Line app. If you ever want to turn off the notification setting, you can come to this same page and toggle off the switch right next to allow notifications, and that's it. That's how you know how you can manage notification within the Line application using your Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.